Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Valentine set. This is being put up a little bit later than I had hoped. I'll be using SBD London gel polish today in the Secret Garden series. So here I've just prepped all the nails ready to go, and I'm just going to be doing 2 coats of pink on the 3 fingers, and then I'll be doing, it's like a sheer white on the ring finger, and I end up doing 3 on that because it wasn't as is it opaque? I think that's the right word. Yeah, so for all your newbies, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it here. The main reason for my channel, I am not one of the top nail techs, but I like to show in my videos if I do something wrong, how I correct it, and I just want to show that we are all human and we all start somewhere. So I hope you enjoy it. So that's that part done, all cured. So I was just showing you there, it wasn't as opaque. Is that the right word? I don't know, let me know. My head's gone today. I didn't want it as see-through, if that makes any sense at all. So yeah, so I've just done another coat of that and popped it in for a cure. So I'll be using these beautiful decals from Nail Sugar. They've got loads now, and honest to God, you have to go in over there and check them all out. They do glitters, chromes, pigments, crystals. So go, oh, they do foils as well. I absolutely love it. So if you want to go over there and make a little cheeky order. So now I'm just getting the water decal on the stamper, and I pop a little bit of water on, leave it for like 10, maybe 15 seconds, slide it off, and then you can easily dab it onto the nail where you want it. So much easier. There we go. Was that first one done? And then doing exactly the same, popped it onto this clear stamper, dabbed a little bit of water, move that out of the way, because I'll end up tipping it over, and then gently slide off when it's ready, that is. And then that's that. And then pop it on to where you want it on the nail. And so here I went in with some tempering top coat on the ring finger, even though I haven't got a ring on that finger. I'll have to change that. Because I'll be putting some glitter and stuff on the other nails, so this is one of the new glitters from Nail Sugar. It's beautiful pink, iridescent matte white mix. It's gorgeous. Look, it's so pretty. So I decided not to use that just yet, so I went in with the miler, excuse me, and dabbed it on, and I wasn't really happy with how sticky the layer was, so I did actually end up wiping off and going over with base coat, curing that, just like a flash cure, and then went over it again, so it was more sticky. See, it wasn't sticking as much as I wanted it to. See, I don't even know why I went on to doing that nail. Oh well, you live and learn. So Yeah. So I wiped it off camera, so I'm going over with one of my older base coats that I use for all glitters and stuff, so it's not too bad for going back in, but I do try and wipe off any excess. So I'll just let you watch this little bit and I'll be right back. Now I'm using the glitter, so I've wiped off that brush and I'm just dabbing over the nail. Okay, so now I'm going in with these stickers and they are from shane.co.uk. If you haven't seen my other videos, then you'll see I've got a lot of their stuff. I've done quite a few videos of unboxing. So yeah, they were really fiddly, which is why you can't see me doing it. So nice little linking hearts. They're so fiddly. I think I need some sharper tweezers. Now I'm gonna go in with, which one was this? It's Forever and Always, something like that. So now I'm going to go in with the tempering top coat again. I like to double top coat over glitters so it's not as bumpy and just protects it that little bit more. and then you pop that in for a cure for 60 seconds, and that's that set done. I really hope you enjoyed it. As I'm not really a pinky girl considering, so I need to start doing some blue sets. It's just some snapshots of the nails in different lighting, not in different lighting, but in different thingies, positions. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more and hit that notification bell. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye!